The mask clearing skills are some of the most important skills in scuba diving and may cause anxiety with new students. An excellent demonstration of the partially flooded mask skill in confined water will provide your students with the confidence and foundation to master this skill with ease. Begin the skill with you watch me and give your students the skill signal. Use your fingers to gently break the seal to allow water to enter the mask. Stop just before eye level. Now, signal to your students so they can see the water line. With both hands, use your fingers to push down on the top frame of the mask. Signal to look down. Take a few breaths, and when ready, take a final breath in. Signal to your students that you are exhaling from the nose as you are beginning to look up. Finally, signal to your students that the mask is clear.